Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop Instagram from automatically sharing your stories to Facebook. So if your stories keep posting to Facebook without you wanting them to, just follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap your profile picture in the bottom corner to go to your profile page. Once you're there, tap the three lines menu in the top right corner to go to Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account Center at the top. Inside Account Center, tap on Connected Experiences. From here, choose Sharing Across Profiles. You'll now see the accounts connected together. Tap on your Instagram account. Here's where the important part happens. You'll see options for Stories, Posts, and Reels sharing to Facebook. If Stories sharing is turned on, simply toggle it off. This will stop your Instagram stories from posting to Facebook automatically. If you also don't want your Instagram posts shared to Facebook, turn off Posts as well. And if Reels sharing is enabled, you can disable that here too. Once these are turned off, your Instagram content will stay only on Instagram. And that's it. Now Instagram will no longer automatically share your stories to Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.